In primetime news this evening, historic. Prosecutor appeals 12-year prison sentence in double murder conviction. Charge your witness. Defense attorney in one Don trial chides cops for not arresting Don turned state witness. And tourism sector on edge as Omicron COVID variant threatens global cruise industry.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, who would you nominate to be added to Jamaica's list of national heroes? And give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.